T.Rodon Smart Communication Panel tutorial. This tutorial describes the basic functionality of the T.Rodon Communications Panel, how to change talk groups, make and receive group and individual calls, and how to monitor 2 or more channels. On the left-hand side we have the Communications panel. Here we see the talk group and zone information. The active talk group has a loudspeaker icon after the talk group name. To change talk groups, simply click on the talk group to select it. In this example, 3 users are active in the central talk group. Talk group 1 and talk group 2 are empty. If a user changes talk groups on their radio, you will see them change talk groups on the dispatcher. User November 1 is the dispatcher and will always be shown in the selected talk group. You can see here how it moves between the selected talk groups. When we right-click on this user, we see limited options. However, user November 3 is a radio user, and when we right-click on this user, we see more options, allowing us to perform a range of functions, including direct calling, ambient listening, push to video, and taking a picture with either the rear or front cameras if the device has them. As previously highlighted, the active talk group has a blue loudspeaker icon present. To make a PTT call, press the push to talk button at the bottom of the communications panel. The call will be made on the active talk group.
November 3, this is November 1, radio check over.
November 1, this is November 3, Charlie, how do you see you? Over.
When the user replies, you will notice several things. A green loudspeaker appears against the user's icon. The blue loudspeaker in the talk group box turns green. The push to talk button at the bottom of the communications panel turns dark green. And the talk group, along with the call sign of the calling radio, is displayed. In this case, Central is the talk group and November 3 is the calling radio. In T.Rodon, it is possible to monitor multiple talk groups simultaneously. This is called multi-listening. To do this, right-click the talk group to be monitored and select Listen. You will notice this talk group now has a blue loudspeaker icon. You will now hear traffic from either talk group when there is any activity. If users in both talk groups transmit simultaneously, you will hear a mix of both transmissions. For this reason, multi-listening should be used with care and is not generally used as the default mode of operation. To disable multi-listening, right-click on the talk group and select Listen. The blue loudspeaker icon will disappear. This video has demonstrated the basic functionality of the communications panel. For more advanced features, refer to our other online tutorials at www.support.g6-global.com.